Tom's Trains and Things is 4 years old on YouTube. I did my first video June 25th, 2016. So let's take a look at it now. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And I didn't always say that because in the very beginning, I had no direction. I didn't know what I wanted to do until a couple of months in, and then I figured it all out. I knew exactly what I wanted to do, everything different than everybody else was doing. But I want to show you the first 3 videos that I did. It just totals up to about 6 minutes. I put one video out on the 25th, and I put 2 videos out on the 26th. And they were really crude. Before we get to that, if you would like to see more videos on Tom's Trains and Things, about model railroading and about electronics, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, ding that bell so you can be notified whenever I have a new video coming out. And I have a playlist with over 450 videos. I'll show it to you right here where you can find everything I've done. And then I have binge watch all my videos, so it lists every single video that I ever did that is public, at least. So let's get started with this right now. Welcome to the Lincoln Creek and Big Rock Railroad. I've been working on this for many years, going back as far as 30 years, doing some of the kits on here. I really haven't had enough time to do it in the past, and since I retired recently, I've been working on it a lot more. Some of it is finished, and most of it I still have a lot of work to do on it. You can see what's going on here, and if you like it, you know, take a look at it, subscribe, and do whatever. Alright, now you get to see my face. I'm an old fart. Yes, I've been doing this for a long time. Ever since I was a little kid. My dad had an American Flyer that got out during Christmas, and eventually it ended up in the basement and on a piece of 4x8 Homosote, and we ran it around in a circle. We had 2 turnouts for it, and I started to get some buildings. I used my allowance, and I went down to Shink's Hardware in Duquesne and sat down there for maybe hours on end just looking at the rolling stock and wondering what I could buy for $1, because the rolling stock was $1 each, and I had like $3 in my pocket, and that's where I got started. Okay, but since then I've been watching videos, reading magazines. I got a whole stack of magazines dating back all the way into the 70s, and I've been trying a lot of different things, and I made a lot of mistakes, and I made some progress on some stuff, did some right things. But I'm going to share with you the things that I found out in the last 50 some years, and hopefully it'll help you out. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. You know, somebody tells you something, or you read something, and you know it's just too hard, or you can't understand it, and you got to take a little bit from every source and put it together and do what's comfortable for you. And hopefully I can help you out with that. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks and techniques and failures and things to look out for. And okay, so whenever you do something, if it doesn't turn out right the first time, try it again. You know, eventually you'll get it right. But hopefully some of my tips will help you out. So here we go. This is my workbench over here. It's not normally this crowded. I have a bunch of different projects going on at the same time. I just tore up my layout. There was a few things on it that I didn't like, so I rearranged it, tore out some scenery, tore out some tracks, and I got some of the scenery here. Tracks are all over the place. I'm working on some trees right here. I got a wood kit right here that I'm working on. I bought some new paint and some new glue that I haven't put away yet, and you know, I got all my supplies over here in totes on the shelf and everything. So hopefully I can help you out. So have a good day and happily modeling. I hope you enjoyed that Throwback Thursday version of Tom's Trains and Thing, the 4-year anniversary, my 3 first videos. I mean, I had a lot of trouble making them. It was really awkward, but I think I got a little bit better since then, and I'm talking a little bit better, a little bit faster, and I'm not so slow on everything. Like, I got a lot of comments about being slow. Well, that's because I've taken medicine to speed up my brain process. So, let me put some bloopers on the end of this thing, and until the next time, we'll see ya. You know, making a video isn't as easy as it looks. I'm recording. That's okay, baby. Here's the record. All right. I might have to change the battery in my remote because I got to go up real close to turn this thing on. Okay, so get this wire out of the way. And we're going to the beach. Here we go. We're going to take a look at what we could use these for. I have several different ones, and all different sizes and shapes, and we'll see what we can do with them. Styrene and acrylic for sidewalks and streets. 1. Hi everybody. Today we're going to talk about styrene and acrylic. Well, let's start this over again. I forgot to say welcome back. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I get the styrene let's start this over again. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, go. I get the acrylic at Home Depot. Come around to doing the bench work, and you know, that's the foundation. No pun intended. I'm going inside where I could cool off. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to make a kit from Bar Mills Models of roof access. I'm going to assemble a kit from Bar Mills Models of their roof access hatches or doors. I'm going to assemble a kit from Bar Mills Models. It's a roof access door. Okay, here we go. Hi everyone, and welcome to Tom's Trains and Things. I'm standing in the access panel. Okay. The NMRA gauge, and I know everybody has lost it. So this is what we're going to talk about today, how we misplaced it, and what we have done to make it so that yeah. Okay, take two. Go 3, 2, 1. I found the old one. So now I have two of them. I have a Mark III. Okay, Mark III and a Mark 4B. And the only thing different, let me turn it around. The only thing different I see on it is just some of the markings on, or some of the stamps on it are in a different place, like this hole right here. Okay, but that's not what I'm here to talk about, how to use it there. What I'm here to talk about is, I'd like to know, I'm getting a sore throat. Here I go. What I want to do now is ask you to put something in the comments below on how you prevent your... Alright, here we go again. What I want to do now is to ask you to write something in the comments about your experience with the NMRA gauge and how you've lost it and how you found it, and anything that you have done to help keep track of it. So maybe in the, so everybody could read and find out a solution, maybe a better idea than what I have, that I'm going to show you from now on. Subscribe over here. Yeah, right there. And maybe together we could figure out the case of the lost gauge. So I'm going to show you how I fixed mine, so I could do a few routine chores with it. Routine. We've lost our gauge, or we misplaced it, and how we okay, last part. 3, 2, 1. So write your comments below, right down there, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you could keep in touch and learn, keep watching the videos and be informed of when more videos are coming. So subscribe right there. There we go. And we'll see you, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye. 3, 2, 1. Let's try this again, because I didn't have the mic on before and I didn't even notice the little things going over here. So here we go. I'll keep trying to put out some good content, and he just started a channel. I wanted to give a shout out to a guy. He's a fellow. Okay, let's try yours. All right, here we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. New series of videos slash that way playlist entitled Model Railroading for Beginners. Now, I don't think I have to explain what that would be about. So here we go. Hi everyone. Let's start this again, okay? And I'm going to explain a little bit about what we're going to do. And so keep watching. And that sucked. Okay, here we go. Hi everyone, welcome to Tom's Trains and Things. I am pleased to announce a new series of videos / playlists that I'm going to entitle it. Let me try this again. Okay, let's do it with this finger here. All right, we're back. The comments and I did it again, and do some good in showing. Working on the videos, try to, I don't know a lot, but I do my best at it. Share my knowledge of what I know so far. So, and you could do this on anybody that you subscribe to if you haven't subscribed to or not. So, that's a good idea if you want to keep in touch and, see what, choose email, you could choose text message, I think, and, all kind of different things, whatever social media allows. Okay. All right, there's the voice. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to watch my other videos. Check out my playlist that I have down there. And don't forget to leave comments down there also. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. So, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you. Bye-bye.